Let's ride! We are halfway through the Rolling Daytona campaign, so let's give away a special 3-day trip for two to Daytona Bike Week, March 6th through the 9th. Come into the dealership this Saturday, January the 25th, enter the special keyword they got for you, and win that trip to Daytona Bike Week. We'll go live on the Rolling USA Facebook page Saturday afternoon and announce the winner. If you haven't yet registered to win the Rolling Daytona campaign in this beautiful Harley-Davidson Street Glide, get into the dealership, hit that QR code, and you're on your way to being a winner. Every time you visit the dealership, you can increase your chances to win by gaining keywords and checking in. A lot of great prizes, a $5,000 gift card, a Bertello pizza oven, and many more prizes. You can be standing on stage with me during Daytona Bike Week. If your kid unlocks the forks and cranks that motorcycle, you are the winner. So get in to register today. We are Rolling Daytona. Pow!